we have come down to the Xiaomi Smarter Living event 2023. Let's check out all the products one by one. Starting with the Smart TV Pro X series. Available with a new premium metal bezel-less design, the Smart TV features a 4K HDR white color gamut, Vivid Picture Engine 2, HDR10 Plus support and Dolby Vision. On the software side, this is the first Smart TV series by the brand that features Google TV, which is paired with Patchwall. The bigger TV comes with a 40-watt sound output setup, while the 43-inch variant comes with a 30-watt sound setup. The Smart TV is available in 3 sizes, 55-inch, 50-inch and 43-inch. Then we have the Smart Air Purifier 4. It comes with a new pre-filter, true HEPA filter and a negative ionizer. The clean air delivery rate is also increased to 400 cubic meter. The air purifier looks very chic and comes with a display up front. Then we have the Air Purifier 4 Lite. A compact variant for the Air Purifier 4, it carries the same feature. This is more suitable for office cabins and professional setup. We also saw the launch of Xiaomi Robot Vacuum Mop 2i. It comes with 25 high-precision sensors like wall sensor, docking sensor and a collision sensor. The mop has a suction capacity of 2200 pascals. Finally, grooming. We have the new beard trimmer 2C and a new grooming kit. The 2C comes with 40 length settings and a 90-minute run time. So what do you think about this one? Comment down below. For more informative content, follow Business Insider India.